Super Genie. Oh!
Are you alright?
Look.
Are you alright? Oh, good.
Hi.
Where you guys from? New Jersey's in the house. Alright. I can do a few tricks with him. I'm pretty good with him. Alright, hi, how you doing? What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Okay, hi, hold on. Let me fix myself. Close up! Too close.
That's from the first movie.
I know that.
Able to catch bullets with his teeth. It's Super Genie. Yeah.
I bought one of those last night.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where'd you buy it at?
Village Marketplace.
Oh, you should have bought it from him.
Sorry.
They have them all cool.
No, we have no small genies. No, we have no small genies. We have no small genies today. If you want to buy a puppet from me, I am going to be at the village tomorrow between 2 and close.
There's small ones there.
No. We have no small genies. We only have big ones, grandes.
What do you realize?
Yeah. Deo. Deo. Daylight come and me want go home. De. Me said de, me said de, me said de, me said de. Daylight come and me want go home.
Well, that's a cute trick.
Yay! There's nothing you can't do with them. They even weight lift. Look, this is how he got the size big chest.
Yeah, I remember that one, Pete.
Hi. Whoa.
Excuse me.
Hi there.
Running.
Hi.
Come on, Chad. We gotta eat now. Where's that?
Can I eat too? Here I come. Wait on This guy's lost it. I don't know. He's got laughinitis. Or genie-itis. Am I turning blue?